for Costello Pty Limited. So we'll start by defining what is big data and why it matters for our company Costello. So big data refers to data sets too large, fast moving, or complex for traditional systems to process. So characterized by the three versus volume, velocity, and variety. So for a retail business like Costello, big data analytics can uncover patterns invisible to manual reporting. So whereby volume is defined by thousands of customer transactions, stock movement, supplier orders, uh, money transactions, or money logs of accounts accumulated daily across the four stores of Costello. Velocity, the real-time sales, stock levels, and customer behavior that are generated continuously throughout operation hours. And variety, so structured such as invoices, stocks, and structured such as emails, and unstructured such as customer reviews. Data all exists in these big data sets. So our first application will be customer segmentation and personalized marketing. So what is customer segmentation and personalized marketing? So in big data analytics clusters, customers, or rather big data analytics clusters customers into meaningful segments based on purchasing behavior, their annual income, their frequency of visits, satisfaction ratings, and the demographic attributes such as age, marital status, and many more. So machine learning algorithms such as k-means clustering and random forest uh, classification identify distinct customer groups, e.g., high value loyal shoppers, occasional browsers, and price sensitive buyers. So, what will be the business benefits of this? Number one, targeted promotions. Assuming you have a, a demographic of young people, let's say between age 18 to 25, you know what they love most, and you target promotions based on that demographic or age gap. We have subscription optimization, where analytics reveal that subscribed customers spend 23% more on average. We have churn prediction, where it identifies customers whose purchase frequency is declining before they stop shopping entirely. So where it helps trigger the re-engagement offers automatically. And the other one is the new product decision. If data shows a segment heavily purchases shoes but rarely wallets, Costello can expand footwear inventory to meet demonstrated demand. So as we can see in this graph, it shows the average spending score by satisfaction level. So from what we can learn here is customer with high satisfaction scores spend significantly more than those with low satisfaction. So a difference of about 37 points on average. So this directly supports the business case for investing in customer service improvements. So our second application of the big data and analytics is inventory demand forecasting. So what is inventory demand forecasting? It is big data analytics process historical sales data across Costello's four stores, combined with external signals, seasonality, local events, fashion trends, etc., to predict future product demand. Time series model, e.g., Aremia, LSTM, neural networks. So these time series models forecast how many units of each SKU will be needed for each store location over the coming weeks. So the benefits, this inventory demand forecasting benefits for Costello will include reduce overstock and waste, which is helped by predictive ordering, means Costello buys only what each store will actually sell, reducing storage costs and markdowns on unsold stock. Secondly, will be prevent stockouts. Forecasting ensures popular items, e.g., formal suits in Richmond CBD and adjacent catchment, are always in sufficient supply, maximizing revenue. The other third part would be optimize supplier orders. With over 30 suppliers globally, demanding forecasting allows Costello to plan purchase orders weeks ahead, taking advantage of bulk pricing and avoid costly rush orders. The last thing will be store level personalization. Different stores attract different customer profiles. So, for instance, Brunswick may sell more casual attire, unlike Melbourne CBD, which deals with more formal suits. So, store specific forecasting targets each store and unique demand. So as the graph here, it illustrates demand forecast. Formal suits, actual versus forecast in Melbourne CBD, where the blue represents actual sales and the orange represents forecasted demand. So what does this mean for Costello? The teal line shows actual monthly sales of formal suits at the Melbourne CBD, and the orange line shows the model's demand forecast for July and August. So Costello can now place supplier orders in May, June to ensure sufficient stock for the predicted August peak, avoiding both stockouts and over ordering. So the summary of the two big data applications include what is our primary goal? It was to understand and target customers. So what is our demand? Forecasting, predict, and manage stock, product stock. Data used the data we are using is customer profiles, purchase history, and satisfaction. So what is our demand forecasting? Sales history, seasonality, external trends. The techniques we are using is k-means clustering algorithm, random forest classification algorithm, which include the ARIMA, LSTIMS, time series forecasting. Key benefits is higher revenue from targeted marketing, and and reduce cost from optimized inventory. Costello impact increased customer spending and loyalty on the right product, right store, and at the right time. Thank you.